Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to change Paramount Plus automatic payment. So once you're logged into Paramount Plus, this is best doing it on a desktop. Hover over the profile here and then come down to the account section and then select that. Once we're in the account section, you'll see subscription and billing section here in the middle. You can come down and cancel the subscription, or you can go into edit payment. And if you've added a debit card or Visa card, you can press cancel here at the bottom and then save it while it's empty. Or if you're on PayPal, you can come into this and then press cancel. The best thing if you're on PayPal though is to log into your PayPal account and cancel the subscription from there. So that's how to change Paramount Plus automatic payment. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.